Welcome to Hard Chrome Solutions, your reliable partner for foot joint repairs. Our primary objective is to get your operations back on track, utilizing the sources we've gathered under one roof. Boasting over a century of expertise and a global presence, we're equipped to handle units of any size. Our comprehensive inspection process thoroughly examines all bearings, shafts, gears, and housings to identify misalignment and engagement issues that stem from the root cause of failure. Trust our experienced team to address your needs effectively and efficiently. We're the largest Foot Jones Gearbox repair shop in the Northeast, housed in our expansive 60,000 square foot facility. Our on-site gear cutting capabilities cater to every gear type across all Gearbox models, meeting AGMA standards of 12 to 15 with our exclusive state-of-the-art equipment. This distinct advantage sets us apart from other so-called Gearbox repair shops found on Google. Our partners often return to us after exploring other options, recognizing our unparalleled expertise, swift turnaround, and the sense of security that comes from entrusting their vital Gearbox repairs to our skilled team. Discover why so many people trust us for their Foot Jones Gearbox needs. We stand behind our work with an extensive 36-month full parts and labor guarantee from the day of installation. Our global support network, encompassing Canada, Mexico, and beyond, provides our partners with comprehensive assistance in laser alignments, rigging, fluid systems, pumping, filters, lines, lube oil, heat exchangers, and more. Feel free to tour our facilities and meet our dedicated sales staff at any time during the week to learn more about the exceptional services we offer. You can trust us to deliver the highest level of expertise and support for all your Gearbox requirements. Get in touch with us today at 732-895-3225 or visit hardchromesolutions.com and experience the difference for yourself.